In this video, I'm going to show you how to check warranty on any Android phone. There are two methods. The first method is visit the official brand website and check there. The second one is open Google, search your brand name. For example, my is Samsung. Write IMEI, check. For example, if you have Redmi phone, then you can write Redmi IMEI check. Tap on search. Simply scroll down. Open this website imei24.com. Paste your IMEI here. If you don't know your mobile IMEI, then you can see it on the box, or if you don't have the box, then go in dialer. Dial this code, it works in all devices. Copy the IMEI from here and paste it here. Tap on check, enter the captcha. As you can see here, it is showing all my model information. Including model name and model number. Here you can see my mobile warranty is active and estimated warranty end date is 2026. So this is how you can check warranty on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.